welcome back to another day. To another video. And today, I'm here with my dad. And today, there's a volcano. There's a volcano, and it's going to erupt.
Hey guys, we're gonna make it erupt.
Is it supposed to go in?
I don't know. No, it went straight to the top. See?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it was supposed to go to erupt. I don't think they work.
I think I was supposed to hold it right there and just drop it right on top.
What? Just grab it.
I can't grab it. It's down there. It won't stay. Oh my God! Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Look at my hand, y'all.
Stop. It's staying.
It's staying.
No. It hates us. Stop. Dad. No.
It's not working.
Yeah, it's not working. It erupted underwater. Is that cool? It must be yellow to y'all because I see it. But it's red. Oh! Fail. Epic fail.
Epic fail.
I know this was a short video. But if you did, smash that like button. No, not smash. Kick that like button. And I'll see y'all guys next time. Goodbye.